Welcome to Like Health. Castor oil, a thick golden liquid that has been used for centuries as both a natural remedy and beauty elixir. Packed with powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds, this oil can do wonders for your body. From improving digestion to relieving joint pain and even promoting hair growth, its benefits might surprise you. And unlike many trending health fads, castor oil's power is backed by both tradition and science. In today's video, you'll discover 8 powerful benefits castor oil can offer for your overall health. Some of these may change the way you think about natural remedies forever. If you enjoy this kind of helpful content, don't forget to like this video to support the channel. And if you're new here, check out the other health videos on our channel, and hit subscribe if you find value in them. Benefit number 1. Soothes joint and muscle pain. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When you massage it into sore joints or muscles, it helps increase circulation and ease stiffness. Studies have shown that applying warm castor oil packs can reduce arthritis pain and improve mobility. Its deep penetrating nature allows it to reach underlying tissues and support natural healing processes. Athletes often use it as a natural alternative to synthetic pain creams and ointments. If you struggle with chronic aches or post-workout soreness, this may become your new go-to remedy. Using castor oil regularly can also help relax tense muscles and improve your overall comfort. Benefit number 2. Improves digestion and relieves constipation. Castor oil has long been used as a natural laxative thanks to its unique action in the intestines. When taken in small doses, ricinoleic acid stimulates the muscles in your gut to contract more effectively. This can help clear out waste, relieve occasional constipation, and support a healthy digestive system. Some studies have found that castor oil packs applied to the abdomen can also ease bloating and discomfort. It's important to use the correct amount, as excessive intake may cause cramping or diarrhea. Always consult your doctor before ingesting castor oil, especially if you have digestive conditions. Many people find that incorporating it into a wellness routine supports smoother digestion naturally. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Start with small quantities and listen to your body. Benefit number 3. Promotes healthy, glowing skin. Castor oil is loaded with vitamin E omega-9 fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish your skin deeply. Its thick, emollient texture helps lock in moisture, making it a natural remedy for dryness and flakiness. Ricinoleic acid also has antimicrobial properties that can help reduce acne-causing bacteria on the skin. Regular application can soothe irritation, diminish redness, and even fade scars over time. Dermatologists often recommend it as a natural alternative to commercial moisturizers and creams. Some research suggests it can support collagen production, keeping your skin smooth and youthful. You can massage a few drops onto clean skin before bed to wake up with a soft, hydrated complexion. Just be sure to patch test first if you have sensitive skin, as it's highly concentrated and potent. Benefit number 4. Supports hair growth and scalp health. One of castor oil's most popular uses is for stimulating thicker, healthier hair. Its rich nutrient profile, especially ricinoleic acid, helps nourish hair follicles and improve circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow delivers essential nutrients that can promote stronger, faster hair growth. Castor oil also has antifungal properties that help combat dandruff and keep the scalp clean and balanced. Many people notice less hair breakage and more shine after just a few weeks of regular use. You can warm a small amount and massage it into your scalp as a weekly hair treatment. Some studies have linked castor oil's fatty acids to reduced inflammation, which can prevent hair thinning. For best results, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then shampoo thoroughly to remove any residue. Benefit number 5. Enhances wound healing and reduces infections. Castor oil has been traditionally used to speed up the healing of minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Its ricinoleic acid content provides a powerful antibacterial shield that helps protect wounds from infection. Studies have found that castor oil can stimulate tissue growth, creating a moist environment that supports repair. This is why many natural ointments and balms include castor oil as a key ingredient. Its anti-inflammatory effects also help soothe swelling and discomfort around injuries. When applied to skin, it forms a protective barrier while still allowing air circulation, a perfect combo for healing. Some research suggests it may even help prevent the buildup of dead skin cells that slow recovery. For minor wounds, apply a thin layer gently and cover with a clean bandage for optimal results. Benefit number 6. Boosts immune system function. Using castor oil packs on the abdomen is believed to support your lymphatic system, which plays a vital role in immunity. Research has shown that castor oil can increase the production of lymphocytes, white blood cells that fight infection. This boost helps your body clear out toxins and harmful bacteria more effectively. Natural health practitioners often recommend castor oil packs for people prone to frequent colds or sluggish immunity. Its anti-inflammatory properties also contribute to reducing oxidative stress throughout the body. Some studies report improved liver function when castor oil is applied externally over time. To try it yourself, soak a cloth in warm castor oil and place it over your abdomen for 30 to 60 minutes. It's an easy, soothing way to encourage better detoxification and stronger immune defenses. Benefit number 7. Relieves menstrual cramps naturally. If monthly cramps have you curled up in bed, castor oil might be your new best friend. Its powerful anti-inflammatory compounds help relax uterine muscles and ease discomfort. Many women use warm castor oil packs on the lower abdomen to calm painful spasms. This gentle heat, combined with ricinoleic acid, boosts circulation and reduces tension. Studies have shown that castor oil packs can significantly lessen menstrual pain compared to placebo treatments. It's a natural alternative to over-the-counter painkillers, without the unwanted side effects. To try it, simply warm the oil, apply it to a cloth, and rest it over your belly for 30 to 45 minutes. You might be amazed how much relief you feel, sometimes within just one session. Benefit number 8. Supports detoxification and liver health. Your liver works hard every day filtering toxins, and castor oil can help give it a boost. When applied over the liver area, castor oil packs are thought to enhance lymphatic drainage and circulation. This improved flow can help your body flush out waste products more efficiently. Some natural health experts believe regular use supports better liver enzyme function and overall detox. Its antioxidants also help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and environmental toxins. People often report feeling lighter and more energized after consistent use. While more research is needed, many find this gentle detox method safe and effective. Just remember to combine it with healthy habits, like hydration and a clean diet, for the best results. To use castor oil in the correct way, always choose pure, cold-pressed oil for the best results. For external use, warm a small amount and gently massage it onto the skin or scalp. To make a castor oil pack, soak a cloth in the oil, place it on the target area, and cover with a towel and gentle heat. If you plan to take it internally, consult your doctor first, as dosing must be carefully controlled. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new